Hey there, tech fans! Are you ready for some seriously nerdy news? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we've got the latest and greatest in the world of technology, and trust us, it's all super exciting. First up, we've got the new iMac. It's sleek, it's powerful, and it's ready to blow your mind. And don't even get us started on Tesla's price cuts. They're making electric cars more affordable than ever, and that's got us feeling all warm and fuzzy inside. If you're a writer, marketer, or content creator, you're gonna love LinkedIn's new AI-powered feature. It's like having a writing partner who never gets writer's block. And as for DJI's aerospace decision, well, let's just say it's got us buzzing. Or should we say, not buzzing anymore? Last but not least, we've got Microsoft's AI technology and the future of work. And let's be honest, it's a little bit scary. But hey, if robots are gonna take our jobs, at least we can go down laughing, right? So sit back, relax, and get ready for some serious tech talk. Let's do this. Are you ready for some Apple goodness that's gonna blow your mind? Get your I Love Apple shirts on, because we're diving into some juicy news on the latest iMac. Are you ready for a faster, stronger, and more colorful iMac? Apple's about to unleash a new beast, and we've got all the exciting updates you need to know. According to the tech guru Mark Gurman, the new iMac is expected to feature an M3 chip made with a 3nm process, which means it's going to be faster than a cheetah on steroids. The iMac was reportedly at an advanced stage of development, which means it's almost ready to take over the world. But wait, there's more. The new iMac is also expected to come in the same colors as the previous model, including blue, silver, pink, and orange. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm seriously considering getting one in every color to match my outfits. And if that's not enough, some of iMac's internal components might get relocated and redesigned. Who knows, maybe Apple's secretly training robots to assemble the iMac so that we can finally have a break from all the tedious assembly work. Hey, a tech lover can dream, right? But that's not all. According to Gurman, Apple's also getting ready to launch a new 15-inch MacBook Air, an upgraded 13-inch MacBook Air, and a Mac Pro equipped with an M2 Ultra chip. I can already feel my wallet shaking in fear. The new iMac is coming, and is bringing some serious firepower with it. Get ready to have your mind blown by the M3 chip, and your eyes dazzled by the vibrant colors. And if you can't wait to get your hands on it, just remember to breathe and stay calm. Have you heard the latest news from Tesla? No, it's not about Elon Musk getting a new haircut. Tesla has lowered the prices of their most expensive EV models in the US. Woohoo! According to Reuters, Tesla has reduced the cost of the new Model S by up to 5% and the Model X by up to 10%. That's like getting a discount on your favorite ice cream. And just days after this, Elon announced plans to increase production at Tesla's Shanghai facility to meet the skyrocketing demand caused by their previous price cuts. If you are eyeing those performance versions of the Model S and Model X, now's the time to make a move. The new Tesla Model S Plaid and the Model X Plaid share the same price of $109,990. Meanwhile, the base model Tesla S all-wheel drive is now $89,990, down from $94,990. And get this, when Tesla first unveiled its redesign for the vehicle back in January 2021, Model S prices started at $79,990. Talk about a steal! However, not everyone is thrilled about these price cuts. In China, protests erupted earlier this year after reductions of up to 17%. And some Tesla owners in the US were also displeased with similar price cuts, citing concerns regarding the sudden loss in vehicle value. But let's face it, who wouldn't want a Tesla at a lower price point? Elon Musk himself said during Tesla's Investor Day on March 1st, quote, "The desire for people to own a Tesla is extremely high. The limiting factor is their ability to pay for a Tesla," unquote. So it's clear that Tesla is committed to making their electric vehicles more affordable and accessible to everyone. Are you excited about these latest price cuts from Tesla? I know I am. We've got news from LinkedIn. Apparently, they've got a new feature that's so cutting edge, it makes Elon Musk Neuralink look like a Game Boy. The feature is called Collaborative Articles, and it's got AI-powered conversation starters to create a conversation between experts. And let me tell you, this AI is so advanced, it can hold a conversation better than half the people on my dating app. So, how does it work? Well, LinkedIn matches each article with relevant member experts based on its skills graph and invites them to add context, extra information, and advice to the stories. It's like an AI matchmaking service for professionals. Swipe right if you want to contribute. But here's the best part. The bodies of the articles are powered by AI based on prompts created by and constantly refined by the company's editorial team. And they're churning out almost 40 articles in the past 2 days. That's more productivity than my cat on catnip. The topics of these articles range from things like how to show instead of telling when writing or overcome a creative block, or how to use feedback and semicolons. Finally, someone is tackling the real issues. Now, some of the AI-powered content has garnered mixed reaction from contributors. Some have said, excellent advice, or Very logical starting point, while others have said, not sure what's being said here, or I have a different opinion. Looks like the AI might need to brush up on its social skills. But hey, let's give LinkedIn some credit. They're really pushing the boundaries of what AI can do, and it fits perfectly with their mission of becoming a place where professionals come to learn, not just show off their perfectly curated LinkedIn profiles. So what do you think? Are you ready to dive into the world of AI-powered collaborative articles? Or do you prefer to stick to the old-fashioned way of doing things like chiseling your thoughts onto stone tablets? DJI has some news for you. No, it's not about their latest drone release. Apparently, they have stopped producing the AeroScope, a drone detecting system that has caused quite a stir. Rumors say that DJI is working on a second version of the receiver, but they haven't confirmed it yet. Maybe they're too busy trying to figure out how to keep their drones from falling out of the sky. Now, the AeroScope was originally intended for law enforcement and government agencies to monitor drones flying in dangerous areas. But apparently, the technology became a hot topic in the midst of the war between Russia and Ukraine. DJI ended up blocking shipments to both countries over concerns about the weaponization of its products. You know you're in trouble when you're accused of helping Russia. And get this, the signals broadcasted by DJI drones aren't even encrypted. So, basically anyone with a receiver can pick them up. That's like leaving your front door unlocked and wondering why your neighbor is suddenly in your living room. It's no wonder DJI has decided to discontinue the AeroScope. According to Brendan Schulman, the former VP of policy at DJI, they're discontinuing it because it, quote, doesn't make sense to continue supporting a feature that was created to assist US security interests while being constantly attacked by US security agency. Wow, DJI talking about biting the hand that feeds you. And just when you thought things couldn't get any worse, researchers have created a tool that receives signals from DJI drones through more affordable third-party devices. Looks like DJI's got some competition. Maybe they should start focusing on making their drones harder to track instead of discontinuing their detection system. Just a thought. We're going to talk about something that's going to blow your mind. Microsoft's plan to unleash robots in the workplace. Just kidding, we're not that far gone yet. But seriously, Microsoft is about to drop a bomb on us with their new ChatGPT-like AI. They claim it'll change the future of work and revolutionize our productivity apps. So let's find out what all the fuss is about. Okay, so maybe the robots aren't taking over just yet, but Microsoft's AI technology is definitely making its mark on the world of work. They're gearing up to reveal this new AI, and we can't wait to see what they've got up their sleeves. Buckle up, folks, because we're about to take a ride into the future. The event will be hosted by two of the biggest names in the business, Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella and head of Microsoft 365, Jared Spataro. They'll be showing us how AI is going to take over and transform the way we work and use productivity apps. But don't worry, they're not going to put us out of our jobs just yet. Microsoft has already tested GPT model from OpenAI in Outlook to improve search results and suggested replies to emails. And get this, they've even integrated Word documents with AI to help users improve their writing. So if you ever struggled with writer's block or misspelled words, help is on the way. But now they're taking things to a whole new level. Microsoft recently launched Copilot AI Experience in Microsoft Dynamics 365 and Viva Sales that uses Azure OpenAI service to create sales emails. So if you're a salesperson who's always struggled with composing the perfect pitch, you might just be in luck. With this new AI assistant, you'll be closing deals like a pro in no time. Microsoft says that this event will show us how AI will power a whole new way of working for every person and organization. So get ready to see those robots in action, folks. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech updates. And don't be selfish, share this video with your fellow tech geeks. Let's spread the love and knowledge around. We'll be back next Friday with more tech news, so be sure to tune in. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.